Dan Lucas, HTS Ag on agvid.tv at the Iowa Farm Power Show, talking with Travis Goedken about the new Intellislope solution from Ag Leader. Travis, tell me a little bit about this solution.
The three basic modes of installation are the auto tile, which really made it popular, and then likewise the grade control and pitch control options. So if I choose auto tile here, we'll go ahead and exit. It's going to, as long as I survey an area over the ground, it's going to give me a workable solution for that area. If for some reason there is no workable solution for that area, it's actually going to show you an intersection error, which means there is no solution and you'll have to make an adjustment to either where you're putting that tile or obviously you'll have to figure out some type of planning in our software in order to correct that. Also, we have the manual control, which is on the right-hand side here, and it's going to give us our distance, our total rise, depth, elevation controls. Guys that are doing any type of tile plow control, we recommend RTK solution with a base station within 2 miles in order to get an appropriate amount of accuracy and repeatability in order to install that tile.
Excellent. Tell me a little bit about the payback and what an Intellislope system can do for a grower if they have marshy or swampy soils.
Sure. Well, I really think it's almost endless. Meaning, we don't remove obviously all of the water. We're moving the excess water. So any type of area where you're obviously growing yields and things of that nature, a guy's going to see a return on investment. But most guys are probably a 40-to-1 is what I've heard, and so that might vary a little bit, but that's certainly numbers that we hear.
Excellent. If a grower can look at an investment like an Intellislope with an RTK GPS, tie it together with a trenching operation, get a return of that major component, then it is huge. Give me a couple factors that make this different than your competitors.
I would just say that the overall ease of the installation is, like I said, is really what made it popular. There's 3 modes: the auto tile, the grade control, which is similar to a laser type function, and then likewise pitch control. Anytime you're passing next to maybe a grove of trees or a line of trees where you're dropping GPS, it allows us to get to the obviously the end of that run, and we until we can maintain a GPS correction. So the auto tile is certainly by far none the biggest feature of the system.
Well, fantastic. Thank you, Travis, for your time. This is Dan Lucas, HTS Ag on agvid.tv.